Helpful tips about how to make money online that are simple to follow. You no longer have to be employed in order to make money. In fact, people of all ages are looking online to earn extra income. There is no reason why you should be limited by the poor economy. All you need is a working internet connection and a device that allows you to connect online. Plus, you can easily benefit from the helpful advice below. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. Try diversifying your income streams online as much as you can. Making a significant amount of money online can be tricky. What you're doing today might now work tomorrow. This is why you need to have income from several different sources. By diversifying your income, you can have income even if one opportunity begins to underperform. Start your online earning today by following the great advice discussed in this video. Earning money is not as hard as it may seem, you just need to know how to get started. By choosing to put your right foot forward, you are heading off to a great start earning money to make ends meet. Student loan,